guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make jerk pork. So I've already cleaned and washed the pork, so I'm just going to add my seasonings. And the first thing I'm going to add is the green seasoning. It's onion, scallion, garlic, thyme, and habanero pepper or Scotch bonnet pepper if you have any. Now I'm going to add my Creole seasoning. My Grace jerk seasoning. My JCS meat seasoning. Some Sazon seasoning. I have my Mrs. Dash original blend. My Maggi season of all-purpose. Some crushed pimento, and then finally my jerk seasoning. And now I'm just going to rub in my seasoning. Okay, I'm just gonna add some more jerk seasoning to it. Okay guys, so before I put the pork on the grill, I'm going to put it in the oven for a little while. It won't be fully cooked. I'm just going to start it in the oven. Okay, so now I have it all in both containers. I'm just going to cover it. And put it in the oven. And I have my oven right now at 350 degrees. Okay guys, so there it is. I had it in the oven for a total of 40 minutes. There you go. And then now I'm just going to light the grill and then transfer the meat to it. Okay guys, so now all the pork is on the grill. Okay guys, as you can see, TJ, just because you whisper no means so you're not still in the video. As you can see, pork go on with itself. Okay guys, so I just took this piece off the grill. There you go. Smell good, man. You're not getting none.
Yeah, big you none, you know? Yeah, pump up it.
Mommy, you really need it bigger than that?
Yes.
See it there.
Yes. That looks good.
Look at that, guys. Yeah.